Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Golden Spoon. It's a pleasure to have you with us tonight. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening to you too. This is a lovely place. No, I'm afraid I don't have a reservation. I was just passing by and it looked inviting. I'd like a table for one, please.
We are certainly glad you decided to stop in. A table for one is no problem at all. We have a few seating options available this evening. Would you prefer to sit inside in our main dining room or outside on our heated patio?
The patio sounds tempting, but I think I'd prefer to be inside tonight. It's a little chilly for me this evening. Inside, please. I'd like a quiet corner if possible. I have a bit of reading I'd like to do.
A quiet corner is an excellent choice for a peaceful meal. I believe I have the perfect spot for you. It's away from the main kitchen entrance and the larger parties. Certainly. Please follow me this way.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
I hope the ambient lighting is to your satisfaction here. Many of our guests who dine alone enjoy this particular table. Here you are. This table is comfortable and offers a nice view of the restaurant.
Oh, this is perfect. It's exactly what I had in mind. Thank you for your consideration.
You are most welcome, sir. Please, have a seat. May I offer you the menu?
Yes, thank you very much. I'm looking forward to seeing what you offer.
Our chef has prepared some wonderful specials for tonight as well. They are listed on the first page. Would you like something to drink while you look at the menu?
That would be wonderful, thank you. Yes, please. Could I have a glass of water first?
Of course. Would you prefer still or sparkling water?
Still water, please. And could I have it without ice?
Still water, no ice. Consider it done.
And actually, may I also see the drinks menu? I think I'd like something more than water to start.
Certainly. Our drinks menu has a wide selection of beverages. We have cocktails, mocktails, wines and fresh juices. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me take a quick look. I'd like to try something refreshing. Something non-alcoholic would be best for me tonight. Do you have any fresh juices?
Yes, we do. Our juices are squeezed fresh to order. We have Valencia orange juice, crisp apple juice, and our very popular fresh squeezed lemonade.
The fresh lemonade sounds delightful. Is it very sweet?
Our bartender makes it with a perfect balance of sweet and tart. However, we can certainly adjust the sweetness to your liking.
No, that sounds perfect as it is. I trust your bartender's judgment. Great. In that case, I'll take a glass of fresh lemonade.
A very good choice indeed. It's one of our signature drinks. I'll bring you still water and the fresh lemonade right away.
Thank you, that's great.
Please take your time with the food menu. I will be back in just a moment with your drinks.
Wonderful.
Here is your still water without ice and one glass of our freshly prepared lemonade.
That was quick. Thank you. That looks perfect.
Is there anything else I can get you right now?
No, this is great for now, thank you.
Have you had a chance to look at the menu, sir? Or do you need a few more minutes?
Yes, I've started. It's quite an extensive menu. Everything looks delicious. It's making the decision rather difficult. But before I order, could you recommend something popular? What is the dish this restaurant is most famous for?
I would be delighted to offer some recommendations, certainly. Our grilled Atlantic salmon with seasonal vegetables is very popular. It's light, healthy, and incredibly flavorful. And the slow-roasted herb chicken is also a consistent favorite among our guests.
Both of those sound very good. I am leaning towards fish tonight. Do you also have vegetarian options? I'm just curious about the full range.
Yes, we do. We have a dedicated section for our vegetarian guests. We have a creamy wild mushroom risotto. There is also a vegetable lasagna layered with fresh pasta and a rich tomato sauce. And we also serve a fresh Mediterranean garden salad with feta cheese and olives as a main course.
That's a great selection. It's good to know you cater to different preferences. Perfect. Thank you for the recommendations.
It's my pleasure. Knowing our menu is a key part of our service. Have you thought about an appetizer to begin your meal? Would you like to start with an appetizer?
Yes, please. I think I will. A small starter sounds like a good idea. Could you tell me what appetizers you recommend?
Of course. The soup of the day is a creamy tomato and basil soup, and it is excellent. Many guests also enjoy our crispy calamari with a marinara dipping sauce, and the garlic bread is a simple but very satisfying choice.
Tomato soup is always tempting, but I think I'm in the mood for something I can nibble on. Okay, I'll have the garlic bread to start with.
Very good choice. It's baked fresh for every order.
Actually, wait, a quick question. Does the garlic bread contain cheese?
Yes, it does. It's topped with a blend of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese before being baked.
That sounds even better. I just wanted to be sure.
Would you like to add anything else to your starter?
No, just the garlic bread will be perfect.
Excellent. And for your main course, sir, have you decided or would you like more time?
I think I have decided. I'm considering the grilled salmon you mentioned earlier. It sounds like a healthy and tasty option. Could you tell me how it's prepared?
Of course. The chef pan-sears the salmon fillet to create a crispy skin while keeping the inside moist and tender. It's grilled with a touch of extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and a sprinkle of dill and other fresh herbs. It comes with a side of steamed seasonal vegetables, usually broccoli and carrots, and a serving of fluffy wild rice.
That sounds absolutely perfect. That sounds healthy. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy at all. The flavor profile is very mild and light, focusing on the freshness of the fish and herbs.
That is exactly what I am looking for tonight. Perfect. I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
An excellent choice, sir. You won't be disappointed. Would you like anything on the side with your main course? Perhaps a small salad or some of our hand-cut French fries?
You know, a salad sounds like a great addition. Yes, a small mixed green salad would be nice.
Very good. And what kind of dressing would you like for your salad? We have a balsamic vinaigrette, a creamy ranch, or a simple lemon and oil dressing.
I'll have the balsamic vinaigrette, please.
Wonderful. So, just to confirm your order, that is the garlic bread with cheese for a starter, followed by the grilled salmon with steamed vegetables and wild rice, and a small mixed salad with balsamic vinaigrette.
Yes, that's all correct. Thank you.
One more question about your salad. Would you like your salad with the dressing mixed in, or would you prefer it on the side?
That's a good question. Yes, please. Dressing on the side would be perfect. That way I can add as much as I like.
Noted. I have made a note of that for the kitchen. Is there anything else I can assist you with at the moment, sir?
Actually, there is one more thing. It just occurred to me. I'm slightly allergic to peanuts. I should have mentioned it earlier. My apologies. None of these dishes contain peanuts, right?
Thank you so much for informing me, sir. It is never a problem to check. Let me confirm for you immediately. The garlic bread and the salmon are completely peanut-free, and our salad dressings are also made in-house and do not contain any peanut products. So no, don't worry, none of these dishes contain peanuts.
That's a huge relief. Thank you for checking so thoroughly.
Your safety and comfort are our priority. I will also add an allergy note to your order for the chef just to be absolutely certain.
I really appreciate that.
My pleasure. Your order is now placed with the kitchen. Your appetizer should be out in about 10 minutes. While you wait, would you like some complimentary breadsticks on the house?
Oh, that's very kind of you. I would love that. Yes, please.
I'll bring them right over. Here you are. Freshly baked breadsticks with the side of olive oil and balsamic for dipping.
They look wonderful. Thank you again.
By the way, if you don't mind me asking, is this your first time dining with us?
Yes, it is. I'm in the city for a few days on a business trip. I've heard good things about this restaurant from a colleague.
That's wonderful to hear. We are always thrilled to welcome new guests. We always do our best to make our guests happy and ensure they have a memorable experience.
Well, I can already tell. The service has been excellent so far, and the atmosphere in here is very relaxing.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. We take great pride in our work. If you enjoy this evening, we have live jazz music on Fridays and Saturdays.
That's good to know. I might have to come back for that.
We would be honored to have you back. Here is your garlic bread to start with. It is hot from the oven. Please be careful with the plate. Please enjoy.
Thank you. It looks and smells delicious. The cheese is perfectly melted.
I will leave you to enjoy your appetizer. Please let me know if you need anything at all.
Thank you.
How was the appetizer, sir?
It was absolutely excellent. It was perfectly crispy on the outside but wonderfully soft on the inside. The garlic flavor was just right, not too overpowering. I really enjoyed it.
I'm so glad to hear that. It's one of my personal favorites as well. I will clear this plate for you. Your main course will be ready very soon.
I'm looking forward to it.
Here is your dessert.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Here we are, one grilled Atlantic salmon with steamed vegetables and wild rice, and your small mixed salad on the side with our balsamic vinaigrette.
Wow, that looks amazing. The presentation is beautiful. It smells incredible. Wonderful. Thank you very much.
I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Is everything to your liking?
Yes, everything is perfect. Thank you. I can't wait to dig in.
I'm very glad to hear that. Please let me know if you need anything else during your meal.
Sure, I will. Thank you.
Enjoy your main course, sir.
I will. This salmon is cooked perfectly. It's so flaky and delicious. And these vegetables are so fresh.
Is everything tasting all right, sir?
It's more than all right. It's superb.
I'm delighted you think so.
Excuse me. I hate to be a bother. Could I have some extra lemon wedges, please?
It is no bother at all, sir. Of course. A little extra citrus always brightens up fish. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you so much.
Drinks.
Wonderful. May I have the check, please?
Here are a few extra lemon wedges for you.
Perfect. Thank you.
May I clear your plate for you?
Yes, please. That was an outstanding meal.
Did you have enough to eat?
Yes, the portion size was just right. I'm pleasantly full.
Wonderful. Would you be tempted by our dessert menu? Our pastry chef makes everything fresh daily.
I probably shouldn't, but I am tempted. Yes, please. I'll take a look.
Here you are.
Everything looks tempting. The cheesecake and the chocolate cake both sound divine. What do you recommend between the two?
Both are excellent choices. The New York cheesecake is very classic, rich and creamy with a graham cracker crust. The decadent chocolate lava cake is very popular. It's a warm cake with a molten chocolate center, served with a scoop of vanilla bean ice cream. The fruit salad is also a lighter, refreshing option.
Oh, the chocolate lava cake sounds too good to resist. I think I'll go with the chocolate cake, please.
An excellent and very popular choice. You have chosen well. Would you like tea or coffee with your dessert?
A hot drink would be nice. What kind of tea do you have?
We have a selection of black teas like Earl Grey and English breakfast, as well as herbal teas like peppermint and chamomile, and also a lovely Japanese green tea.
A cup of green tea would be great. It should balance the richness of the cake nicely.
Very good, sir. 1 chocolate lava cake and 1 pot of green tea. I will be right back with that for you.
Thank you.
Here is your chocolate lava cake and your pot of green tea. Please be careful. The center of the cake is quite hot. Please enjoy.
It looks heavenly. Thank you.
How was your meal this evening, sir?
It was absolutely delicious. Truly one of the best meals I've had in a long time. Everything was perfect from start to finish. Please give my compliments to the chef.
I certainly will. He will be very pleased to hear your feedback. I'm very happy to hear that you enjoyed your experience with us.
I most certainly did. The food was exquisite, and the service was impeccable. Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. I will prepare it for you right now. One moment, please. Here is your bill, sir. Please take your time. There is no rush at all.
Thank you. Everything seems to be in order.
Whenever you are ready, would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card, please.
Very good. I will bring the payment terminal to your table. You can insert your card here.
All right.
Please enter your PIN when you are ready.
Okay, done. Thank you.
The transaction is complete. Here is your receipt.
I've added a gratuity for you. You were fantastic tonight.
Sir, that is incredibly generous of you. Thank you very much. We hope to see you again soon.
I'll definitely come back next time I'm in town. I might even try that live jazz night.
We would be honored to have you back. Have a wonderful rest of your evening.
You too. Have a great evening.
Thank you again, sir. Good night.
Good night.